So let's go to the result section. This was the Euro CHF. I took the first trade on. As you can see, this was my target on H1 time frame. This was the POI. Let's go to M5. It did hit my TP, as you can see, but I closed my trade around this area, exactly here. I was kind of messed up. I'm having this exit problem, guys. I'm exiting quickly. I'm missing the full TP. That's what something going on with my head. So the reason why I took this trade, this was the 3 June, daily looking down, H1 bearish market structure, and this was the whole idea. Oh no. We have something else here. Why I didn't put anything here? Euro CHF. Okay, this was a kind of what's going on? There was a kind of S&D zone here, and H1 market structure shifted to the bullish side at the daily S&D zone. So that was the whole idea, looking for bullish price. Nice impulse, weak retracement, and then we had a retest setup here. That was the whole idea behind this trade. And the next trade I took on USD CHF. USD CHF, obviously on a bearish side, right? But only concern I had was price is currently as a daily level, daily support level. But how many times it tested? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It tested so many times. When a level tested so many times, it becomes weak. If not weak, then it have no plan to go up. When it tested too many times, it have no plan to go up. It will come down. Even though it have to go up, it will do like that. It doesn't go like this. Alright, that was the whole idea. I was kind of cautious for that because it is on a support, but I knew kind of it will fall. So, and bearish H1 market structure. Alright, bearish market structure, broken this low, and this was some rejection zone. Alright, I was looking for sell off, but I don't know why. I got a feeling here, guys. This will come with experience. This was the trade too, but I got a feeling like it will not work, this trade, and I closed it right here. Even if I didn't close this trade here, I would have definitely closed it here, because the pattern I traded here is M top, but this is not clearly a M top. This is kind of messy going on, and this bar is too huge. If you go to M1 on minute bar, you can see it is not a sign of this down pressure had to be strong, but look at that. This kind of stopped me from staying in this trade, and I did closed it here. Another time it gave, I was looking for something like this. After this huge fall, prices come here, then I will see some entry here, then I will take the trade. The bias, I had bearish bias, this played out, but without my entry, Yeah, I have used this RSI. Good divergence I would have taken here, but I'm back testing this divergence set. Alright, this was kind of huge bar, consolidation, breakdown. This was kind of looking good, but I'm back testing this. Alright, next trade I took on AUD USD. What is the idea behind this trade? Let's go to Delhi. Delhi looking bullish. It broke out this zone, came, made a W here. Alright, definitely made a W and it was going up, so it was bullish for me. This was a last market structure, bullish market structure, as you can see here. Came, retested it once, came again. This made a wide W and way bigger reaction here, very strong. So this was high probability trade for me. Look at the spark, very strong, this S&D zone, and I did enter here and I closed it here. Look at that. I'm missing. It was a 3-hour trade, almost 2.82, almost 3-hour trade, but I closed it here at 1.3 here. I'm definitely I'm not happy with my exit. I'm definitely problem here on exiting. I'm missing this much of profit. This is huge. I did miss it and I closed it here. Got emotional or something maybe. I just closed here. My bias was bullish and the bias played out very well. So that's the power of analysis. Alright, so that's it for today, guys. We will see